Okay, once again, we're gonna show you another style in Firenzecolor. This is gonna be with the Carrara Coarse product. It's gonna be like a Stria look. A lot of people think it looks like a bamboo look. It's really, really nice, really easy. One coat and then a nice little color wash. Check it out. We're gonna have the product, Carrara Coarse. You're gonna slap it on. Nice and thick. You don't wanna put it too thin. You wanna put it thick. Doesn't matter if you're putting it on sloppy because we're going to do something else to it. Just want to slap it on. Can't be cheap with the product. Remember, it's only one coat process. Okay. Now we're going to come back with the special tool that we have here that we get from Europe. It's basically called the
Plastic rag.
Plastic rag. There's a lot of different names for this, like doormat float. There's a lot of different names. So we're gonna come back and smear it just like that. You can do it horizontally, vertical, whichever style you want. Very easy to do. You can have your kid do it. Very easy. Now when this dries, it will look like this. Okay? You can always come back and knock down like the heavy stuff. Or you can leave it, doesn't matter. Whatever you guys like. Then we're gonna come back with our line wash, our color wash. The color wash that we're gonna use here is called latte de cache. It's basically lime milk. We're gonna get our sponge. We're gonna dip it in. Then we're just gonna smear it, just like that. It's a really dark color, so it looks good on TV. Remember, you can use a lot of different colors into this stuff. You could create more colors. You could put 3 different colors on it, 4 different colors, whatever you guys like. You always want to follow the direction of your movement of the plaster. So it's going up and down, so you want to move it up and down, the sponge. It's a really nice look, you know, for a nice little accent wall, and it's really easy to do. When this dries, it'll give it its own lime look. It'll absorb differently, different shades, a two-tone look. If you want to put it darker in some areas, of course you can. You know, just let it dry up. And that's it. One coat process, very easy. Another thing people like to do is sand it down when they're done. It gives it some white coming through from the top. Look how beautiful that looks.
So when it dries, it's gonna get a whole lot lighter.
It'll get a little lighter. Not that much lighter, but a little lighter. And that's how we do this beautiful style. Thank you.